Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to make delicious beignets using the classic Cafe du Monde mix. First, you'll need to combine 2 cups of the beignet mix with exactly 7 ounces of water in a mixing bowl. Use a spoon to stir these ingredients together until they are just blended and form a soft dough. It's important not to overmix, as this can lead to tough beignets. We want them light and fluffy, so mix until just combined. Now that your dough is mixed, it's time to prepare it for frying. Liberally flour your work surface and your hands to prevent the dough from sticking. Turn the dough out and roll it flat using a rolling pin. Aim for a consistent thickness of about 1/8 of an inch. This is key for those signature puffy beignets. Then, use a pizza cutter or a sharp knife to cut the dough into approximate 2.5-inch squares. These will be your individual beignets. Next, we move on to the exciting part. Frying. Heat your preferred frying oil, such as cottonseed or canola, in a deep pot or fryer to a precise temperature of 370 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully drop 1 to 3 beignet squares into the hot oil at a time, depending on your pot size, to maintain the oil temperature. Fry each side for about 1 to 2 minutes, flipping them once, until they are beautifully puffed and achieve a rich golden brown color. Once your beignets are perfectly golden, carefully remove them from the hot oil using a slotted spoon or tongs. Place them on a plate lined with paper towels to drain any excess oil. While they are still warm, generously dust them with a snowfall of powdered sugar. This is the iconic finishing touch. For the absolute best experience, serve your freshly made beignets immediately. They are truly magical when enjoyed hot and fresh.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.